Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Now let's look at the laboratory biosafety levels. Biosafety levels. So this is also known as the, in short, is known as the BSL. So first is the BSL1. BSL1 is where the work on open lab benches or tables. This is where there is a good technique is followed. Safety equipments includes the PPE, that is a gloves, eye protection. They are worn as needed. So PEP is used. So the facility is a sink for hand washing. The sink for the hand washing. Then separate doors from the rest of the facility. Now the BSL2 is access is restricted to the lab, and it's appropriate PPE. There is a biological safety cabinet. Then comes autoclave and the alternate method of decontamination. So here what do we have? The facility is a sink eye wash is easily available. Self-closing doors are present. Then comes the BSL3. So BSL3 is where the access is restricted and controlled at all times. The medical surveillance of the lab workers. The appropriate PPE must be worn, and the BSC for all activities. The hand-free is seen, hand-free and eye wash. Hand-free sink and the eye wash is used. The direction airflow from the clean areas towards the potentially contaminated areas. The entrance to all the lab is through the self-closing interlock doors. So it is a self-closing interlock doors. The BSL4 is where the changing the clothing before entering and shower upon the exiting. So you change clothes. Then the decontamination of all materials before exiting, the BSC, and the full body and air supplied positive pressure suit. Pressure suit. There is a double-ended autoclave, and this is through the wall. Next is the features. There is a laboratory in separate building, and it's isolated in the restricted zone. So there is a restricted zone. Then the dedicated supply and exhaust of air, as well as our vacuum lines and decontamination systems. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.